Hey everyone, today we're going to do a sour challenge. This would be with me, myself, Perky Kid's dad, and Tanner and Hannah. And the challenge will consist of these trolley extreme sour bites. They're like little almost gobstopper look shaped, but they're small and they're sour. Then we have Airheads Extreme Sweetly Sour Candy. They're like little strips of sour candy. Then you got the Big Sour Patch Kids Extreme Sour Warheads
That look like
and
this.
the Jolly Rancher Bites that are sour. So first we're going to start with the Extreme Sour Warheads. It comes in a variety of different colors. I'm sure each one is just as sour as the next one. They've got black cherry, apple, lemon, and blue raspberry. So I'm first going to try the green apple, and we're gonna see how this goes. You guys ready? Pretty sour. Oh my god, it's it forever sour. Woo!
Look at Tanner's face. He looks like he's gonna cry.
They're so sour, I might cry.
I need the bowl. Just give me the bowl.
I'm trying not to spit it out. Oh, you guys are weaklings. Oh. So, the verdict on these, they're very sour. I can start feeling my eyes tearing up already. I'm just trying to keep my mouth and see if there's a point where you get past the sour part and it just becomes nice.
Yeah, it does.
Ah, here we go. The sour part's going down. Yeah. So that was the Extreme Sour Warheads. And what do you guys rate that?
0.
Is it extremely sour?
Yeah. 10.
What is a 10 standing for? A 10 as in like the most sour it can be?
Most sour.
What about you? 0, so it's not sour?
I mean, 100.
100? The most sour it can be? I'd have to agree with them and say that it is definitely the highest possible you could probably rate sourness. That was very true to what the bag says and extremely sour. So next is I'm guessing we're doing the Big Sour Patch Kids.
Tanner, can you show them how big that is?
So Tanner's got a lemon one, I'm guessing, because it's yellow. And Hannah's taking a lemon one, too. I'm going to go with a blue one. I'm going to put this warhead aside for a minute, because that's really good. I'm going to finish it. Alright, so everybody take a sip of their water before they start the next one. Alright, so we're going to put this whole thing in our mouth at once and let it sit there and see how sour it is.
That's what I'm talking about. They're not even sour.
Yeah, I'm very enjoying it. As far as sour goes, I would have to say very poor.
It's a 0.
I mean, I'd say maybe a 2. When you put it in your mouth, it's like an initial very, very minor sourness mixed with sweetness, but really you can't really tell. And then it goes away within a matter of seconds, and it's all sweet. So
Because
not very sour at all.
we just have one of these and it's really sour right now, right?
The Warheads were very sour. Those were very weak. I mean, I could eat that whole bag and be fine. So we tried them out.
Okay.
I'm gonna try these Trolley Extreme Sour Bites. Now, if you want to come in and look at how these look, they're very, very tiny. But apparently, this little tiny thing is supposed to be extreme sour because the Warheads were extreme sour. So we'll see how sour they are.
Definitely sour. It smells sour. I'll give that to you.
I had green apple. And I have to say, it's definitely like. We'll have to go with half. As sad as that sounds, I can't even fully give that a 1. I mean, it had the slightest bit of sourness, but even saying extreme sour, that had less sourness in it than the Sour Patch Kids did. So I'd have to say like a half. Pretty weak.
It is a
Next, we're going to try these
half.
Airheads Extremes. I like how these candies say extreme, and there's like no extreme to them. That trolley said extreme, and you can see it, and there's wasn't extreme. Alright, so these are like little, very thin strips of Airheads that are rainbow looking. So they're supposed to be extremely sour, so we'll find out. Looks like a gigantic piece of gum, huh?
They have the slightest bit of salt.
On a rating scale, I'd have to say maybe like a 3 or a 4. They're
0.
definitely more sour than the Sour Patch Kids, but nowhere near as extreme as the Warheads. So, like I said, I'd have to say like a 3 or a 4. Next, we got these Jolly Rancher Sour Bites. We'll see. So these are gummy, fruit-shaped Jolly Ranchers, I guess. This looks like a watermelon. You got a green apple.
I got a green.
You got a green. Alright, well, let's try these out and see how sour they are.
Yeah, not sour. Yeah, 0. I'll give that 1. Yeah, 1.
I'd say maybe like a 5. They do have a sourness to them. More than the Airhead candies and the Sour Patch Kids, and definitely more than Trolleys, because the Trolleys like were nothing.
Tanner, what do you rate them?
So,
A 1.
alright guys, we're gonna do the ratings, okay? So let's say, Tanner, what do you rate these?
1.
1. Those are Trolleys. I said that was about a half. Hannah, what do you rate these
Half.
Trolleys? Half. Okay, Tanner, what do you rate these Airhead Extreme Sour Strips?
0.
0. I'm surprised, because I thought I'd have to say 3 or 4.
3 actually.
The Sour Patch Kids, what do you rate them?
1. 2.
2. Yeah, I'd have to say maybe about 2 as well. They weren't that sour. They were sour, more sour than these, but not that sour. Again, what do we think about these Warheads? How much should we rate those?
100.
100. I'd say 10. As a 0 to 10 scale, 10 definitely being the most sour it can be. What do you think? How about these? 0 to 10. 10 being the most sour. What do you think? 10? What do you think?
100.
100. So Hannah's saying they're like way beyond 10. Alright, what about these Jolly Rancher bites that are supposed to be sour? I'd say maybe like a 4,
Yeah.
a 5, probably.
Maybe a 4.
Yeah, alright. Well, so in this sour challenge, we did Warheads Extreme Sour. If you want to see the packaging to pick them up, this is what they look like. We did the Big Sour Patch Kids, the Jolly Rancher Bites Sour, the Airhead Extreme Sour Strips, and the Trolley Extreme Sour Bites. And you heard our ratings. So, of the 5 that we did, I'd say the most sour was definitely the Warheads Extreme Sour. We're gonna have to try and look around and see how many more sour candies we can find. These are what I was able to find at the store the other night. I'm sure there's a lot more out there. We're gonna look for them. So join us again and we'll have another challenge for you and we'll see what that may be. And all children, I want to put this out there. Do not do any of these sour challenges without your parents' permission. And as always, if you like our video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel, Perky Kids. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you next video.